We are here. Gas it up and then head into going north. Right there. Wait.
Official now.
He's official YOLO life. Adventure before dentures. Right here, baby. Baby, right here. Watch out, baby.
What's that?
Georgia. I didn't know we're here already. Damn, Georgia right here.
And I don't think we're here for very long, though. I think we get right into Alabama.
I know.
I don't think it's far. Got to get a picture.
Yep. Look, we made it to Tuscaloosa here, Alabama. We made it here 8:05. Holy shit. This guy sure can't smoke. Look at that. That's Steve. He's packed like for his wife with him. He act like his wife's going with him. And look at me. Everything is inside his bike right here. Look. That's it.
But when you're a 5'1" Vietnamese kid, you don't need much. Hell,
you're right.
You pack everything in a package.
I got one Speedo for Steve. And my bikini.
Oh, Lord.
Steve, yeah.
It's not something
especially just for Steve.
Not
Look at that sucker,
see.
man. I'm looking for that sink in his refrigerator. It's in there somewhere.
Oh,
It's water bed too. Goodbye, Alabama. Made it. Next state line. There's Steve-O.
dude.
Right, Mississippi.
What a day to ride.
I know. This road sucks though.
I know, yeah.
Hey guys. I'm in Mississippi. Time to post my YOLO sticker right here. Woo, baby. YOLO, adventure before dentures.
150, maybe 160 miles to hit the Arkansas border.
Oh yeah. We had a dam here.
He's a big dude.
Wow.
You see? Oh yeah, it is a big dude.
I caught him on a flute just playing around in the water.
And it didn't snap your line when you tried to reel up here?
Nope. I didn't even have him hooked. His little beak thing was just wrapped up in the water.
Wow.
We did shed blood though.
Like a hitchhiker. He liked my Suzuki better than your Harley. Right here. Hold it up. Let me see. What do you put it on there? Let me see.
YOLO.
YOLO! Avengers before dangers.
YOLO.
Will you?
Get on your knees. Oh man. Yeah, exactly.
Right here. That's a good place for it right there.
Oh yeah. We have another member, 7,500 miles right here. Oh, that looks nice on
Yeah,
there.
baby.
Yeah.
Stop rubbing my head.
Here we go. Come on.
Before dentures.
That's right, baby. Woo! What about you, horse? Are you next?
I'm next. I'll do the honors. Here's.
Wait. Before you do that, we got to show ours.
Where's mine?
Yours is
Right here.
on that side. Here,
I
lock
see
it
it.
over here.
So this horse right here joined the YOLO Life Adventure Before Dentures Club.
He just made it.
Yeah, he just made it. It's a horse,
There.
This horse, Michael Jackson. He's half white, half black.
You want to see the?
It's black on the bottom side.
And he's the oldest one of the member, right?
Right. That's
Yeah.
right.
Yep, he's the oldest one. And he said he just made it before dentures.
That's just fair.
Just
before dentures.
before the
They're all
dentures.
legal. Yeah.
The real so far.
Sure.
Yep.
Hello life right over the DOT.
Oh, that looks pretty.
Oh.
That looks pretty.
Oh, I like it. I can feel it.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh man. Woo! YOLO! That looks perfect.
That looks perfect.
I'm extremely proud.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
That's cool. Rode here to Eureka Springs downtown. It's like remind you of Ybor City in Tampa, huh? So guys, this is the Crescent Hotel in Eureka Springs. This place is haunted. They offer ghost tours on 4th floor here, but they say mostly ghosts on 2nd and 3rd floor. But maybe I'm capturing something here. Come on, show yourself. I dare you.
I'll show you a moon.
I dare you, show yourself. I want to see you on here.
Yeah.
Is there a ghost here? That mirror right there behind me. There may be a ghost there.
Elijah Craig, barrel proof. Small batch, not barrel.
Be just one.
For your small little Vietnamese frame.
Yeah. Lightweight right here. That don't look like 1 1/4.
That one is.
Okay.
Sugar water. Half a shot. Orange bitters.
Orange bitter. Look
Orange
at
bitters. Angostino bitters.
that. How much of those? Just a
Just a dash.
dash. That's a
It has
lot
to
of
be
stuff.
Luxardo cherries.
Man, that's a lot of stuff you put in there.
Oh, we're not done yet, Bubba. We're not done yet. Get your knife.
Yeah, I'd probably prefer that too.
If you don't have an orange, Grand Marnier works really well. Cherry wood.
Gotta be cherry wood.
You can do hickory. I like cherry wood.
That bad boy smoking it now. Nice. Smell good. Cheers, boy. Thanks, Tom.
You betcha.
I'm gonna try this in the first time here. Wow. Woo!
That's a mellow one.
Got attacked by Adventures Before Denture, baby. Right here at the Ozark Cafe General Store. Lee was here. YOLO, baby.
I lost my hat.
Put it down below your hardly a Harley.
How do those come off anyway? I think we should put this
Where should you put the YOLO sticker?
right under the Harley thing or keep
Harley or Harley? Look, you gotta say Harley or Harley.
There you go.
YOLO life, you only live once. Adventure Before Dentures. Another rider joined the YOLO life. On it, Suzuki Intruder. There we go. Thank you, sir. Welcome. We're gonna do Ozark Moonshine Run. I'll be the second guy today. Those turn.
Man, two of them.
That's a badass turn, huh?
That was some badass turns, is right.
Quite a few of those.
Well, fucking A.
Now we're gonna go up there. You're gonna take us up that hill right there.
Okay,
Yeah,
sounds good.
like over the hill.
I got the chains on the tires.
Boys are loading up. Tom heading home back to Ohio. Horace back to Hot Springs. 6 hours for him, he said. 6 hours. Me and Steve-O all packed up. Time to head back to Florida. Kickstand up in about 5 minutes. Right, boys? Except Tom. Tom gonna enjoy AC music. He's gonna stay dry and cool. All right, rolling out, folks. You guys have a safe ride home.
Safe ride.
Yeah, safe ride. Right, gonna try to 2 days home.
Be careful. Be careful.
Love you, bud. Yes, sir.
I'll get the garage doors after I get the garbage.
Yep. So me and Steve continue on. 65 horse. Gonna split here.
Good there.
Hey, horse, have a safe ride.
Thank you. I want you guys to have a safe ride as
We
well.
had a great time, my
It's been a
friend.
pleasure.
Bring it in, dude.
Bring it in.
Bring
Give
it
a
in.
big hug,
Yeah.
big hug. Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Nice.
It was a fun ride.
You're a gentleman.
Yeah.
You are.
We had a great time.
You're a heck of a rider, too.
Yeah, thanks, man.
You are. Yeah, he is. He's got more skills than all of us put together.
Well, I'm the young guys. I'm 10 years younger than you guys. And I'm on a scooter, you know.
He's rubbing that in, I think.
Yeah, I'm on a scooter.
How old are you, Lee?
55.
12 years.
Yeah. No,
11.
11. 10 years older than me, right?
I'm 64.
Last stop for gas. Before we split here.
10 days.
10 days?
10 days.
10 days riding with this guy. I'm tired of him. Ready to send him off. Well, we split from here, man.
Brother.
Have a safe ride. We each have an hour and a half to go, right?
Hey, I am backing off on the amount of hours I'm working.
Yeah, okay.
Serious. Keep me in mind. I know you've asked me on a lot of rides, but keep me in mind because
Oh, shit, he's snucking out. No way. That dog just snuck out.
he's like, I see pizza. I see pizza.
Is that her dog?
Daddy, give me pizza.
That's probably not her dog. Oh, man, that's probably he's burning. You see him snuck out of that thing?
Got a deal. I eat half, they get half. I bet that looks hot right now.
Oh, man. All right, man, have a safe ride back.
Yeah.
This is where we split.
Thanks.
Look, look, he's getting back in there. See if he know how to get back. Oh, dang, he know how to get back in there. What?
Never know.
So you're not going to make fun of my scooter anymore?
No.
My Halfabusa?
No. The Halfabusa did well.
Yeah.
Did very well.
3,000, over 3,000 round trip.
Nice.
Time to change her,
Did a good
get
job.
home, change the oil on her.
You did
All
a
right,
good
man, be
job.
safe.
You too.
I'm gonna watch you roll out of here. Well, after, look at that, over 3,000 miles round trip, I made it home. Let me see how many miles. 3,000 miles. Right on it. Made it back to Florida. Woo! And all I had is this much. That's it. That's all my stuff in there. Arkansas, that's where I went. All right, home sweet home.